Hi guys, good morning. I'm gonna show you how to open a TopStep account so you can start trading. So what I do, you go to topstep.com, sign up, experience the evolution to TopStep, sign up for early access to our new dashboard. Go there. Open a new account. Search. So it will appear this. We're gonna explain you what's going on. Okay. Resource. They have a TopStep TV. There's a great talk in there. I recommend it. The one at 6 in the morning, 6:15 in the morning. I recommend that one, and the one at with Coach what's his name? The younger one. He's very good on scalping and very good guy. Very and I also like I think his name is Mohammed. He's a good scalper too. So you go sign up. So that's it. I already have one. I'm gonna go sign out, and I'm gonna get a sign up one. Log in. No. Sign up. Gonna put Armando Bustamante. This one. Username and password. Okay, I'm gonna put trade vibe 213. Then I'm gonna make my password. Okay, let me make sure you guys type it down so you won't forget. Yes, I have it. I'm not a robot. And then start trading. Uh, you put your number. Save. now, when it goes right here, you start my trading combine. Let's go. And then you can get a 50K, 100K, and 150K. I will get the 100K. Yes, submit. Start my trading combine. I want to hit 100K. Next. Boom. I picked TopStep X. Make sure you go to. We're gonna open TopStep X later on. 100K combine. I don't have a promo. You have if you want to get promos. If you want to get promos, you have to watch TopStep TV on YouTube. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. Okay, on this one, I'm gonna pause you for a little bit. You got to put your card details. Okay, I'm gonna pause you for a little bit, my voice. Let me see. How can I show you my platform? Okay, I'm gonna step here and I'm gonna go on this one. Okay. So you read all the stuff, you put your stuff in there, and you're ready to go. Okay.